Snowflake, tell me. Anyone? So just tell me. It's a what? It's a cloud-based data warehouse. Okay, mainly for what purpose will use this Snowflake? Mainly for what? Mainly for data storage, then data processing and data analytics. Okay. Now tell me, Snowflake is a SaaS model. What is SaaS here? What is SaaS here?
Software as a service.
Software as a service. What exactly it means? No need to install any software or any hardware. Okay, so this is the SaaS model. Tell me, Snowflake is mainly for what? Mainly for data migration project. Tell me what exactly we'll do in the data migration project. What exactly we are trying to do? Now tell me. So remember, if you know the answer, try to say. Tell me what is data migration project will do?
Transferring data from one source to Snowflake.
Okay, see, so transfer. So remember, if you try to say now what happened, communication skills also will be improved and interview we can able to clear anything. Okay, see, so transferring the data from one data source to Snowflake. Now here, what are the data sources we are having in the market or in the real-time projects? It can be what data sources? It can be Oracle database, MySQL, so DB2, then what are things? DB2, then Postgre, SQL Server, Netezza, SAP HANA, Teradata, then Greenplum. There's so many databases are there. So Greenplum. Okay, so sometimes Amazon Redshift also, or sometimes Hadoop data also we are trying to migrate into Snowflake. Okay, so these are the data sources we are trying to migrate to Snowflake. Tell me why companies are moving. So already application is working fine, but what happened? Why the companies wants to move their data to cloud? What is the reason? Main reason what? Why they want to move? So mainly for cost cutting, then
reduce maintenance,
performance and maintenance cost, and then huge volumes. Okay, so this on-premises database cannot able to handle, and the security. So because of all this reason, okay, the company wants to move their data from on-premises to Snowflake. So this is fine, no worries. Now tell me, we are saying like data migration. Okay, what exactly we are trying to migrate? The tables, the views, the procedures. Remember, these are important. Okay, procedures and the function. Okay, see, as a part of Snowflake developer, we are trying to migrate the tables, the views, the procedures and functions into Snowflake according to the Snowflake standards. Okay, in Snowflake, some functions be supported, some not. Well, you need to tweak them. So see, as a part of Snowflake developer, we are trying to migrate the tables, migrate the views, procedures and the functions. Tell me what is our job role or job profile after completion of this course? Tell me our job role we are going to apply. Tell me. So it will be Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. So from day one, you should understand we are Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. And who are the team members we are going to work in a project? There will be multiple team members. Okay, what are the things? Snowflake developers will be there, like 3 to 4 guys will be there. Then only developers will be there. Then what will be there? Snowflake admin will be there. Then that's it. Snowflake admin, then
architect, testing team, business analyst.
Snowflake architect will be there. So business analyst. Okay, so BA guys will be there. So these are the terminals you should understand. So business analyst. Okay, then BI people. So BI is nothing but business intelligence. Like okay, so Tableau or this guy. Okay, and so testing team will be there. Okay, then team lead will be there. Then project manager, the scrum master will be there. Okay, so these are the things we'll have. Okay, see, so remember, so we should understand like we are a part of a team. Okay, so not in like we have multiple team members, developer team, admin team, architect team, testing team. These all the guys will be there. Okay, this is the thing we should understand. Now see the same thing. Now suppose like I want to communicate, suppose like simple example, we'll see. So understand the concept. If you're not able to like try to answer. Okay, see, go back here. Okay, we'll start. Okay, the topics. Okay, see, suppose like see the same thing. Okay, suppose like this is Praveen is there. and here Kumar is there. Okay, so these are the two person. Tell me, how can I communicate? I want to communicate with Kumar. How can I communicate with what? With a language. What's the language we'll use? We'll use either Telugu or Hindi or English. Same thing. Now here we are having, instead of Kumar, we are having the database is there. Suppose like I'm having database, Oracle database, SQL server, Postgre or Snowflake. Tell me, how can I communicate with this, with the database? By using what concept? By using a language. What is that language? That is SQL. Okay, see, remember, I want to communicate with the human beings. We can go for what? We can go for language like Telugu, Hindi. Same thing. So user want to communicate with Oracle database, SQL server or Snowflake. How can I communicate with a language called SQL? Tell me, what is SQL? Abbreviation for SQL?
Structured query language.
Tell me, it's a structured
Query language.
query language. Okay, what exactly will use this thing? So it is used to communicate with the database or data warehouse. Okay, it acts as a bridge between user and database or data warehouse. See, simple thing, if I want to communicate with the Snowflake by using SQL, we can able to communicate. Tell me, suppose like we see English, now what happened? English, we're having the alphabets will be the same thing. In SQL also we're having the commands, SQL commands, okay, or SQL languages or SQL statements. So these are very important, or basic building blocks of SQL. Tell me, okay, what are the commands? So see, SQL commands or SQL languages, SQL statement are basic building blocks of SQL. What are those things? What are things? Anybody knows them? What are the commands we're having in SQL? Tell me, anyone?
DDL.
Okay, so DDL, then?
DML.
Okay, so DML, then? So there are so many things, DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DQL, DCL. So remember, these are the basic building blocks. So without this, we can't able to proceed. If you learn this thing, almost like 30% of SQL will be complete. So that's why these are very, very important. DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DCL. Tell me, anybody tell me abbreviation for DDL?
Data definition.
Data
language.
definition
The
language.
data definition language. So it will take 2 to 3 days, 2 days to complete all the things. So language, okay. What about DML? It's a data
Manipulation language.
manipulation language. Okay, so language. Okay. So what about TCL? It's a transaction control. Okay, see, control language. Okay, what about DRL or DQL? DRL, DQL. It's a data retrieval. So retrieval or query language. We'll see them detail. Okay. Now what about DCL? It's a data control language. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, see, SQL commands, SQL languages, SQL statement. So basic building blocks of SQL, these are related to DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. We'll see step by step in detail. Okay, now we'll see DDL, that is data definition language. Simple, I want to communicate with the help of this SQL commands only. We want to communicate. Okay, tell me what the commands in detail we are having. What are the commands we are having?
Create, alter.
Okay, create, alter, and drop. Okay, see. So see, we are having in Snowflake perspective, create is there, alter is there, and drop is there. So create, alter, and drop. So DDL, data definition, that is, so create statement, alter statement, and drop statement. What exactly create will do? Any idea what exactly create statement will do?
If we create a table.
To create table or view.
Tell me.
To create a table or view.
Okay, it is used to create database object. Okay, tell me what database object we are having. Database objects. Anybody knows, sir?
Table, views.
So schema is there. Okay, see, tables are there. Then so views are there. Again, views are divided into normal views, metalized views, secure. We'll see the same thing. Okay, on any other thing, only that tables use them. So UDFs are there, sequences are there, procedures are there. Okay, there are so many things are there. Okay, so you got the point. So if I want to create any database object, we should make use of what? We should make use of create statement. Okay, simple thing. Now what happened? I want to create simple table. So create table name. Okay, we'll see the same thing. Now see, we are discussing first thing. So Snowflake is there. I want to communicate. How to communicate? With the help of SQL. SQL are again divided into SQL languages. Now we are discussing DDL, that is data definition language. In this one, we are discussing create statement. So create is to create a new database object in the database. So create table name. So bracket open, bracket close. Okay, see. So column 1, data type 1. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. Column 2, data type 2. Column 3, how many columns we can able to write? N number of columns we can write. Okay, see, column 1, data type 1. Column 2, data type 2. Now tell me before that what exactly data type means? Anybody knows, sir, what exactly data type? So these are the basics, but you should be strong on this now. Tell me what are data types?
Integer.
Okay, see. So which type of data we are trying to store in the particular column? I'll explain. Okay, see. So which type of data we are trying to store in the particular, okay, see, column. Suppose like simple thing, what happened? I'll try to give simple use case. Suppose like I'm having water. Tell me water can be stored in what? In the bottle. Suppose like I'm having eggs. Can we store in bottle? No, we should store in tray. Say in a similar fashion, number related thing. Number related, suppose like I am having phone number. Okay, see, or the salary, or the employee. These are what? Number related things store in number data type. Suppose like name is there, city is there, address is there. So these are what? Alphabets. Alphabets can be stored in either varchar, we'll see varchar to text string. So these are the data types. Got the point of same. So see the same thing. Suppose like date of birth, date of joining, date of, these are what? Where we should store this type of data? Anybody knows, sir?
Date.
In the
Date.
date thing. Okay, see date. Okay, see date. Okay, see. Suppose like I want to go for true or false. Then we should go for what? We should go for Boolean data type. So these are simple only. See, remember. So numbers will go for number or int or float. We'll see the same thing. Okay. Same thing. We can go for name, city. These are varchar to text string. Okay, there's so many things. We'll see same thing detail. In a similar fashion, date of birth, date of these are date will go for date, time, timestamp. There are so many things you can go for. In a similar fashion, I want to go for true or false. We'll go for which thing? We should go for Boolean data type. Got the point? So this is the same thing. So simple example, when are going for simple, go for simple use case. So create table name, employee table. Okay. Now what is underscore T? It's a what? It's a what?
Indication of a table.
Indication of a table. Same thing, underscore T. Underscore V is nothing but it's a view. Underscore MV, it's a metalized view. Underscore UDF, it's a user div. Like this, what happened? We should give the naming standards. Okay, see, underscore T table. Okay, like this. It's a table. Bracket open, bracket close. Now I'm going for, tell me in employee table, what are the columns we can able to expect? What are the columns we can able to expect in employee table?
ID, name,
Okay, see, ID. ID is what data type? Employee ID. It's a
number.
number data type. Okay, same thing. Employee name. Employee name is what data type? It's a alphabets will be. We'll go for varchar. And what is 30 here? 30 is nothing but what? Now that is what?
Limit.
What limit?
Alphabets.
That's fine.
When we are writing the name, that
Okay.
indicates
Length.
the length.
It's a data length. Okay, see. So up to 30 characters only we can able to accommodate. So it's a employee ID, it's a number. Employee name, it's a varchar data, it's a data size or column length or a data length. Up to 30 characters only we can able to accommodate. Same thing. Okay, you can go for employee name. Then we'll go for city. City is also what? It's a alphabets will be there. Alphabet. Okay, it's a 50. Now what is 50? It's a data size. Now date of birth is what data type? Date of birth is what data type? It's a
Date.
Date data type, date data type. Okay, same thing. Salary. Salary is what data type?
Number.
Number. Okay, see number.
Number.
Okay, suppose like I'm putting 10 comma 2. What is 10 comma 2? So see, we'll see the same thing. So see, we'll see. Okay, it's a data set. You can say we'll see the scale and pressure later point of time. Okay, and say it's a data set. In a similar fashion, employee passport. Passport will be what? Combination of alphabets and numbers. Which data will go for?
Varchar.
Varchar only. Okay, I'm putting something like 10. Okay, or 15. Okay, it's a, so here we should understand it's a table name. These are the column names. Employee name, city, these are the column names. What about this thing? Number, varchar, these are the data types. What about this? That is a data size or data length. Got the pointer. So table name, column names, and data types and data size. Now what happened? Tell me. I write here. Okay, table get automatically created. Tell me.
No.
No, this is what this is for. So this is a notepad plus, but this is for only, it's a writing purpose only. So writing the script. But what happened? I want to create a table. Then what we should have? We should have one Snowflake account should be there. Now tell me, just now we discussed Snowflake. Tell me, do we need to install any software for Snowflake account?
No.
No, because it's a what? It's a
SaaS model.
SaaS model. SaaS model in the sense like what? No need to install any software or any hardware. That's what the point. See, so Snowflake is a SaaS model. So if we see what happened, we should go for what? Go here. Okay, see, Control T, search for Snowflake login. Okay, see login. So search for Snowflake login. First one, login Snowflake web user interface. Okay, see. So we are trying to create one Snowflake. See, start for free. Okay, now what happens? It has, okay, see, mute yourself. Okay, see, it is having 30-day free trial. I'll give 120 days also. Try to work on this. So 30 days. Okay, see, now give the basic details. So Praveen. Okay, so Kumar. So we should have one mail ID. We should have, that's it. Okay. So copy the mail ID. Okay, and put here. Okay, see, company, we can put ABC. Tell me what is the role we should put? What is the role after completion of this course? Our role is what?
Snowflake developer.
Okay, see, so we can put anything. So developer or engineer. Okay, so same thing, and we can put any value, continue. Okay, now what earlier yesterday I said, no, Snowflake support what? Snowflake support multi-cloud, Azure, AWS, and you can put anything. So make a point. So Snowflake support. So Snowflake is a SaaS model. Okay, see, SaaS. So no installation of any software. Like this, you should implement the concept. Okay, and our role is what? It's a developer or data engineer. Okay, now what happened? Now see, this is Snowflake supports multi-cloud. Okay, supports what? AWS, Azure, and GCP. So see, remember, okay, so we can able to click any value. Okay, see, I'm going for AWS, so we can click anything. Okay, these are the data centers. Okay, so click on this value, get started. Okay, now tell me why I'm trying to create the Snowflake account, because I want to do some operations on the database. Okay, we'll go for the same thing. Okay, so skip. No, just skip. Okay, skip. Okay, now see, we'll get a mail to the, okay, our mail ID. So just like, okay, SaaS model, no need to create. Okay, so no need to install any software, just create account. We can able to work it down. Okay, see, so click on this value. So click to activate. So you can give any name. So Praveen DBT. Okay. Okay. So tell me in real time. Okay. So in real time projects. Okay. So this is important. In real time projects. Okay. Okay. We will create Snowflake account. In real time project. Tell me anybody. So we don't create. Which guy will create? The Snowflake admin will be there. So they try to give the user ID and password. Remember, okay, so we don't create this user IDs and password. So this Snowflake admin guy, they try to create user ID and password. So based on the user ID and password, we should start working on the thing. So we don't do this. Is done by the admins. These are the admin activities. Okay, see, same thing. Now what happened? So see, save thing. So click skip for now. Now what happened? Okay, so remember, first you should be comfortable with the UI. Okay, so remove all this thing. Now see here, plus symbol is there. So see what happened. We should work for SQL worksheet. Okay, see plus symbol. We can able to go here or we can go for SQL worksheet. Okay, so first you should be comfortable with the UI. Okay, got the point. So see, go back here. Okay, now what happened? Tell me. Let me create one table. Okay, already create the table. I'll explain detail. Don't worry. See, now try to paste here. So see, we can able to use run. Okay, this thing, or we can able to use the shortcut. That is Control plus Enter is the shortcut key. Okay, so we can able to. Okay, see shortcut. Okay, so we can able to. Okay, we can able to put the cursor here. We can able to run, or we can able to make the. Now tell me what exactly it's saying. Tell me, anybody can able to tell me what exactly it's saying. This thing, error message.
You need to create a database.
Okay, now see, cannot perform create table. So this is one session can not have a current database. Remember, if you want to create any database object, compulsory what should be there? One database should be there. See, this is the point. Okay, now see, if I want, so first we should create one Snowflake account. So Snowflake account, it's a SaaS model. No need to create anything. So no need to install. So just next we should create one database should be created. So before that, tell me in real-time projects. So we're having multiple databases or multiple instances will be there. So slowly you can able to understand. So don't worry, see. So don't be in a hurry to learn everything in a single day. See, multiple databases or multiple instance or multiple environment. We say, okay, what are the environments? We'll say anybody knows working guys from previous background. So databases or instances or the environment. What are these things? Anybody knows? So it's a dev. It's nothing but say, okay, it's a development database. Then only dev is there.
Prod.
So test. So test or QA. Okay, so it's a testing database. Then that's it. So UAT will be there. SIT will be there. So pre-prod will be there. There's so many things. So pre-prod, sandbox, okay, and production. So see, so UAT is nothing but what? Tell me, anybody knows a UAT abbreviation? Abbreviation. So user acceptance testing. So these are the points. Okay, remember some companies allow dev test, but what happens? Some companies allow UAT instance, SIT instance, pre-prod, sandbox. Okay, you should have familiarity of the terminals. The development instance, testing instance, user acceptance testing. What about SIT? SIT is not but it's a system integration testing. Okay, then what about pre-prod? Say pre-production. Okay, production. What about sandbox? Also one of the testing. It's a testing instance. Okay, what is production? It's a production database. It's a live database. Ultimately, whatever we did, no, this data need to come to the production. Got the point? See, so see dev. So test. Okay, then UAT, SIT. Ultimately, this all the changes need to be dumped into what? In the production. So this is the ultimately we want to move all this code to here. Okay, after proper testing. Now tell me where you'll work mostly, in which instance? In the production, sir, generally. Okay. Where you'll work? In the development. So see, remember, if we get any work now before that, tell me. So daily we'll have Scrum call will be there. Scrum call or stand-up call. Okay. Stand-up call or status call. Anybody tell me what exactly this is? So these are the terminals you should understand. So we are Snowflake developer. So take any project, anything. So daily we'll have the Scrum call or stand-up call or status call or stand-up meeting, daily meetup. What exactly it means? Anybody? Tell me.
Daily update files, daily update.
Come again. So it's like, okay, so like daily. Okay, we need to give
update whatever JIRAs that are assigned.
So see, so we should give okay updates. Okay, updates in the sense like what? Simple thing. Yesterday, what we have done, and today,
What we have to do.
what we are going to do. That's what the point. Okay, what we are going to do. Okay, so do. Okay, so this updates to all the team members. So got the point. So these are the things. Okay, see, if you take any project now, daily we'll have the Scrum call also. So Scrum Master will be there. Okay, so Scrum Master. Okay, we should remember. So technology as well as functionality also you should understand. Okay, see, these are the project. So Scrum Master, scrum call will be there. Okay, all the team members. Who are the team members will be gathered? So dev team, testing team, admin team. Okay, so BA team, all the team members will be gathered here. Okay, how long? 2 to 3 hours. This
15
meeting.
minutes.
So
Half
15
an
to
hour.
20 minutes. Okay, so not more than that. Okay, see, it's like 15 to 20 minutes. We should give updates to all the team members. Okay, now what happened? We'll have the ticketing tools will be there. So ticketing tools. Okay, we'll start. Okay, we'll having Jira ticketing tool, service now. Okay, anybody knows any service now or monday.com. Then okay, then what happened? Azure DevOps. Okay, see, remember, okay, see, we'll get the work through the ticketing tools only. Okay, so Scrum Master, Scrum call. So the tickets will be assigned. We should work in the what? In the development. One more time. So this is the flow. See, so daily we'll have the Scrum Master. So Scrum Master will arrange the Scrum call. Okay, in the Scrum call now what happened? So Jira stories. So Jira stories will be assigned. Okay, assigned. Next up, what we should work on the development database. So these are the processes. So daily we'll have this thing only. Okay, so Scrum Master will Scrum call there. So stories will be assigned. We should work in the development database. So see, ultimately this data we should dump to production with the proper testing. What the point of now what happened? So see, first we should create one database should be created. So create database name. So see, development. So development database. Okay, 1 second. Okay, see, so we are trying to create one database. So database. Now see, control enter. Same thing, create one schema for logical reps. So schema name. So development. Yes, see. Okay, so database schema has been created. So this thing will be done by the admin guys, Snowflake admin. Now what happens? See, select current database. Like 1 or 2 ways, little bit difficult. Once you're comfortable, you can able to get. So database, same thing, current schema, and my username is so current user. Okay, see, these are the things. Okay, see, so database schema name, and this is my username. So see like this. Okay, now what happens? See, simple thing. So go back here. So refresh. So these are the Snowflake provided database. Now see, this is our database, our schema. Now as of now, no objects are there. Now what happened? Try to create one table. See, what is the shortcut? Control enter is the shortcut. Now see, I refresh the same thing. We'll get our table has been populated. So database should be created. So development schema, same thing. What happened having? So like testing database, we'll try to create. Okay, see. So create database. Okay, so like so test DB. Same thing. So create schema test SC. Okay, same thing. Now what happened? This is fine. In a similar fashion, create one production database. Create so database. So prod database. Same thing. So create schema prod SC. Okay, see, now refresh the same thing. We are having multiple database. So development database, production database, testing database. Now in this all these 3 database, which database work mostly? Which database?
Development database.
So development we should work. Okay, now generally who will create all these databases? The user ID is which one? Which guys?
Admin also.
Admin. Which admin? Snowflake admin will try to create. Now see what happens. See, there are multiple databases are there, but I want to get this database and this. See, we can able to click on this database. So see, click on 3 dots. Okay, see, set worksheet context. Okay, see, suppose like I want to get this database. So click on this database. So see, set worksheet context so that it will change. Or else like we can able to go for so this database and this schema. What the point? See, we can able to go like this. Okay, so we can able to put set worksheet context. Okay, or else like we can able to get like this. Or else like what happens? Suppose like so these are the basics. See, I can go for use database name. Suppose like what happened? I want to get prod DB. So prod DB. Okay, see, we can able to get same thing. Use schema. So see, prod schema will be there. Tell me by using query, I want to get what is my database name and what is my schema name. Tell me anybody. Anybody tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what is my schema name. Select current database. Okay, so current schema. So remember, these are the basic points. Okay, see, so we'll use regular these commands. Okay, so database name, I want to see database name, schema name. So this is my database. We can able to navigate here. Okay, we can able to navigate like this, or else we can able to drop the same thing. Okay, or else we can able to use commands. Use database name. Use schema name. Got the point? So see, now we are in which database? So development database. So see, development database, development schema. Now what happened? See, okay, see, we are having the table has been created here. Got the point? So far, so these are, so first you should be comfortable with the year. We can able to put, so this is day 1. So day 1, we can able to click second, go for day 2. We can able to give any name, we can able to get it done. Okay, got the point? So this is the way we can able. So first you should be comfortable with the year. Suppose like what happened, I want to get different database. We can go for different database and a different schema. Got the point? So see now what happened. Now in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of table. You go for show tables is there. Okay, got the point? See, so these are the important. Okay, now. Okay, so go back here. Now in my database and schema, I want to find list of tables. Tell me how to find list of tables by using what concept? By using show table. Show table. See, go back here. So see, in this database, we'll go for show tables. Now we are having this table. Now I want to see the data. Okay, in this table, I want to see data. How to see the data? By using what concept? By using which command? Which
Select.
command? Select. Select is what command? What command? So DDL is a create statement. Now I want to see the select. Select is what statement? Say DRL or DQL. That is, so data retrieval or query. Like this, step by step we should understand. So data retrieval, so or query language. That is select statement. Now select statement is nothing but what? Select star from table name. We'll see the same thing in detail. So select star from table name. Now what is my table name? So this is my table name. See, select star from table name. Now see, it is projecting all the columns in my database table. Now suppose like what happened, I want to see the list of column names. How to see list of column? Go for, so describe table name. See, here we can able to get. Okay, now see, these are what? So these are what? Employee. These are what? These are what? These are column names. What about these things?
Data types.
Data type. What about 38, 30? These are data size or data length. Okay, suppose like what happened, I want to find the definition. See, select get DDL. Okay, so table name. Okay, see, 1 or 2 days, little bit confusion. See, this is fine. Now see, select what is my table name? Table name is what? So okay, employee T. Okay, so table name. Okay, see, we can able to get the definition. See, copy the value. We can able to get the definition. Okay, we'll see one more time. Okay, see, so what happened? First, we should create one Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. Now, if you want to create any database object, compulsory what should be there? We'll have one database. Tell me syntax for database creation.
Create database.
So create database name. Okay, same thing. We'll go for schema. So schema is nothing but it's a logical representation. So create schema name. Okay. Next step is that what I want to create a database object. It can be tables, it can be views, it can be materialized views, it can be functions, it can be procedures, anything. Okay, or Snowflake. These are the database object. Now what happened for? We'll go for table. So create table name. Okay, so table name. So what did you write? Column 1, data type 1. So column 2, how many columns are there? Those many data which mentioned. So data type 2. Okay. Now here, what is data type here? It can be number data type. Okay, it can be int data type. It can be float data type, or we can go for what? So see, varchar 2. Okay, see, text, string. Okay, so char. Okay, same thing in a similar fashion. We're having what? We are having what? So Boolean data type, true or false. We're having date, date time. Okay, timestamps. So these are the data types we are can able to get. Okay, so number in. So these are the data types, column 1, column 2. So these are the columns, data type. And what if I put something like 10? This is nothing but say data length or column length or data size. Up to 10 we can able to make it. Now what happens? See, first I create one database, one schema. How can I navigate? We can able to navigate like this. We can able to navigate like this, or else like what? Other way, we can able to click set worksheet context, or other way set what? By using what? By using use database, database name. Use schema, schema name. Now what happened in the particular database? I want to find list of tables. Tell me how to find list of tables. List of tables.
Show table.
Load. Okay, list of tables. We go for show tables. Now what happened in the table? I want to find list of columns. Okay, of the particular table. Okay, then we'll go for what? So describe table, table name. But I want to see the data. How to see the data? By using what? By using DRL or DQL. That is select a star from table name. Now suppose like okay. So there is Snowflake developer 1, Snowflake 2. Okay. Now this guy created table, but I want to see the definition. How is the definition? We'll go for select get underscore DDL, and then we should pass the it's a table. We should mention table and we should pass the table name. Okay, so these are the basic thing you should understand. Got the pointer? So table name. Got the pointer? See, so if I want to see the tables, show tables. Okay, describe table name. Seeing the data, seeing the definition, we can able to get. Okay, we'll see some use cases. Suppose like okay, suppose like simple use case. I'll go in. Suppose like what happened. Okay, I'm giving my number. Now suppose like what happened, I want to add a new member. Now see, I'm giving basic details of Praveen. Okay, see mail. So I'm giving 2000. Okay, 2000 address proof. Okay, you should say this answer. Okay. Okay, suppose like I'm selecting Aadhaar number. Okay. Aadhaar card. And I am giving numbers. Okay, basic numbers. Okay. Now suppose like what happened if I click on add, what will happen background? Anybody? What will happen? Tell me.
You'll add one record
Where it will add a record?
in database.
In the database in the form of what? So first what should be there? Suppose like in Snowflake is there, what should be there? First we should have one Snowflake account, then tell me anybody. No, if it says if I click on add, what will happen? Generally tell me what will happen. So an entry will be stayed where
the data store in the database.
In the form of what?
Tables.
Tables are divided into columns and rows. So see, first we should have one Snowflake account should be there. It's a SaaS model. Now I have created one Snowflake account. Next step is that what? Create one. So database. Suppose like I create CoWin DB. Same thing, CoWin schema. Now what happened? Tell me what I should create? Table. Okay, so table. Tell me by seeing this use case, what table name I can able to give? Tell me.
COVID vaccination.
Okay, see what vaccinations? COVID vaccination for registration something. Okay, see, I want to create one table. So tell me syntax. Create table. So COVID registration. See, what is underscore T?
Table name.
Tell me. It's a table. So table. Okay, see, table is there. Okay. Now tell me what are the columns? Name. What is the name? Is what? It's a column name. Name is what it is? Varchar. Okay, see, varchar. Okay, see the same thing. Name is a varchar. I'm putting 30. Now same thing. What about gender? Okay, so gender is also varchar. Okay, see, we'll see what is varchar to the later point of time. Okay. Now same thing. What about year of birth?
Number.
It's a number or date?
Yes, number.
Number, see, like 2000, 2010, these are number. Okay, see, go back here. Okay, see, so date of birth, it's a, okay, sir, this is what, okay, see, what is the thing? It's a year of birth. Okay, year of birth. So year of birth is a number data type. Okay, suppose like I'm putting something like 2000. Okay, so this is what data type.
Varchar.
This is date
data.
of birth.
Data.
Say date. Okay, see, this is number. This is date data type. Okay, see, year of birth, comma, date of birth. Say date data type. Okay, in a similar fashion. Okay, photo ID proof. It's like alphabets are there. We'll go for it's a varchar. So photo ID. Okay, it's a varchar. Okay, varchar. Same thing. So photo ID value. Okay, it's a what? It's a what data type?
Integer.
It's a number. Okay, see, we can go for photo value. Okay, photo value. It's a number. Suppose like what happened? I select instead of Aadhaar card, I select PAN card. Tell me PAN card is a combination of what? Alphabets, numbers. Tell me this okay, you don't. We should go for varchar. We should write. Okay, see, now come to our point. Now tell me this is good looking, huh? This thing. Okay, it is not good looking. Okay, always for the coding standards. Okay, see, go back here. So put here. So you can put here. Okay, see, we can able to do like this. Okay, so like this way you should put. Okay, so this is coding standards or coding alignment we should follow. Okay, go to the pointer like this way you can able to make it working. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, okay, so remember if you work for MNC, you know what happened? So they'll do everything. This is the code review they will do. Okay, so they want to have proper alignment will be there. Okay, so tell me it's good looking. Huh? No, this is good looking. And one more thing, what happened? Copy the same value and put here. Tell me it's good looking. Huh?
Yeah.
No, it's not. No, see what happened. So see, we should change the language S to SQL. Okay, so that what see? So see bracket open. So this is the extra bracket we can able. So always write in Notepad++ tool. Go for language. Go for S and SQL. Okay, so this is the coding standards and the coding alignment. Make sure like semicolon should be there at the last. Okay, see. So create table, table name. So these are the column names, data type and data size. Now what happened? Tell me just now I say no, first we should have one. What we should have one? Database should be there. What database? Okay, see, we can go for one database. So go back here, I'll go for one more session. Okay. Tell me it will work. Control enter. It will work.
No.
No, why? Because
There is no database selected.
okay, see now what happened if I want to create any database, okay, any objects, compulsory what one database should be there. Now what happened, I can able to create one CoWin database. So create database CoWin. So we should visualize, okay, see real time now, this will be done by the admin guy. Okay, so same thing, create schema, so CoWin SC. Okay, so this is fine. Now in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. How to get list of tables? List of tables, show tables, show tables will be there. So show tables. Okay. Now in a similar fashion, now as of now, no table. Now what happened? Makes of control enter. Okay. See, now what is issue? Tell me. Issue set what? Unsupported data type. What is the thing? It's a
Number.
It's a spelling mistake issue. Okay. See, we should put number. Okay. See, number. Okay. Now table. Now see, show table give list of. Now I want to see list of columns. How can I see list of columns? List of columns. So describe
Table.
Table name. Okay, see table name. We can able to get the column names. Okay, so this is fine. Now these are the column names, data type and the data size. Suppose like I want to get the DDL. How to get the DDL? Select get DDL. Okay, so we can put the table. And so these are the basic things. These are compulsory things. Okay, so you should know. Okay, now this is fine. Now what happened? I want to see the data. How to see the data by using what? By using select statements. Select star from table
Tables.
name. It is projecting all the columns. Okay, see, this is fine. Okay, so creating the point sum. So first to create one Snowflake account. So create multiple databases, multiple schemas, multiple database. Okay, multiple so that you should be comfortable with there. I want to navigate from here to here, easily navigating. I want to navigate from here to here, easily navigating. Okay, like first you should be comfortable with the UI. Now I want to get the table names. Suppose like there are no tables here. Suppose like see here one table is here. We can able to get the things done. Got the point? Huh? Like this way. So first you should be comfortable with the UI. That's what the main thing. Suppose like go for one more use case. Okay, see, I'm going for Hathway. Some simple example. Now what happened? Okay, see, I want to go for so. Okay, 1 second. So take any database. Data need to be stored in what? In the database tables on. Okay. Suppose like what happened? Okay, see, I want to select Delhi. Okay, or Hyderabad. Okay. Okay, so name I'm giving something like Praveen. Okay, see, something like one MAC ID. I'm putting something like ID. Okay, and I'm giving like this. Okay, now tell me what happened if I click on this. What will happen? Tell me data will be stored in database. Now tell me for this use case, what I should create first? We should have one database. What database name I should give it for this use case? Tell me database name. What database name I should create? I should give.
Hayat.
Okay, Hathway database. Okay, so tell me syntax. Syntax.
Create database.
Okay, see, create database. Okay, so create. So 1 or 2 days like basics one is so create database Hathway
Okay.
DB. Okay, same thing schema. Create schema. Okay, Hathway schema. Okay, so main purpose of this all things is that okay to be comfortable with the UI. Okay, so this is the UI. Okay, so see same thing create one table. So create table. Table name. What table name I should give for this use case? So states. Okay, table name is what? Say Hathway registration something. Hathway. Okay, see registration underscore T. Bracket open, bracket close. Now what happened? Name is state is what data type? Say varchar. Okay, see varchar. Okay, tell me what I said. I should follow the coding alignment or coding standard. Okay. Now name is what data type? It's also varchar. Same thing. If I go for MAC, so MAC what? Okay, see MAC ID.
Okay.
It's also varchar. Now what happened? Go back here. Now see email ID. So email. It's also alphabets. It's a varchar. Okay. What about mobile? It's a number data type. Okay, now see first we should have what one Snowflake account. Copy the same value. So go back here. Okay, see. So try to open. Okay, see. Try to this one only, not this one. Okay, see, we can open multiple sessions. Okay, see, first wish comfortable. Okay, see, now what happened? I try to create table. What says? So see, what's saying? Tell me one issue is there. What is it? What is the issue? Anybody can able to tell them?
Varchar.
What's the issue? Not varchar. Okay, anybody? Tell me. So simple error only. Anybody can tell them? Line number 6. So see, it's showing issue at the line number 6. Line number 6 is the issue. No, it's not database issue. What is issue? Simple only. Anybody?
The MAC underscore ID.
So see what happened. So see here spaces are there. So spaces are not supported. If you want to get the spaces now, we should make some double quotation. That's what's the point. Okay, see. So see it's showing error at 6. Okay, see go to 6th line. So we should see what the okay, see here space is there. Okay, now makes of double quotes. Okay, see double quotes. But what happened? Generally we don't use double quotes. Now see what happened. First you should have one database. Okay, then schema should be there. Then so like this way you need to use. Okay, or else like what general standard is that what? So we should not use. We should use the underscore. Okay, so we don't have the spaces. We should make some underscore. But see what happened. Tell me it's saying what the issue? Anybody can tell? Na?
Already data table is created.
Come again. What to see?
Already object has existed.
So see, so remember, so in database, so see in database, one name should be given for one database object. Now see it's saying like, so see already this name is taken by one object. Okay, now see it's saying object already exists. Then what happen? We can give one more name. We can go for a different name. Got the point? See, in database, one name should be given for one object. Now see, you can go for different. Now see, we can able to get it done. Got the point? So clear suffer. So like this way. Suppose like what happened? So see, now what happened today? I got one more Scrum call happened. So Scrum call. So now what happened? So in the Jira ticketing tool. So Jira is a ticketing tool. Now what happened? Okay, see. So ticketing tool. Okay, see. So your team lead or some other guy given one. Okay, so Jira ticket to your name saying add a new column in the hardware table. So he is asking to add a new column in the hardware table saying add a address, okay, customer address column. Now see what happens. So as of now, what, how many columns are there? Okay, how to see? By using select statement, select a star from this thing. Now how many columns are there? Tell me here. Okay, state, name. So these are columns are there. Now what is asking to add a new column? New column is that not how to add a new column by using which concept? Anybody knows, sir? To do any changes in that, we should go for alter command, Say, so create is nothing but is a creating a new object, What about alter is nothing but what? Tell me, alter is nothing but what? So to change the definition of an existing database object. It can be anything. Okay, see, so see, create a new database object. It can be any database. Same thing. Alter is nothing but what? It is used to change the definition of a existing database object. It can be table, it can be view or anything. Okay, see. So already first you should have object should be, then you can able to change the thing. Okay, see. Now I want to add a new column. Alter table name, add column name, data type. Okay, see, now what happened? Alter table. What's the table name? Our table name is hardware registration team. Okay, see. Okay, then add. What is the column they're asking? They're asking customer address. Okay, now tell me spaces will be allowed?
No.
No, we can use, but we should use double quotes, or we can go for underscore. Address is what a type? It's a varchar. Alphabet is go for varchar. I'm putting 100. What is 100 here? It's a data size or data line. Okay, see. Now see what happened. Now try to execute. Now see, it will throw error. What is error saying? Is SQL compilation error. It says what? What is issue? What is issue? It's saying table does not exist. So see, our table name is different table. Got the point? Select. So first, if I want to do any alter statement, compulsory object should be there, but we give wrong table name. So this is the correct table name. Got the point? Like this, you should understand. Okay, see, it says table does not exist. It's saying. Okay, see. Now before that, tell me what is this thing? This thing, these three things. Anybody can able to tell? These three things.
The database and the schema.
Okay, see, database name, schema name, and object name. It is called as fully qualified name. Okay, see, it's a database name, schema name, okay, and set object name. It's called as, because now what happens, see, there will be multiple databases, multiple schemas, but we should be precise. That's why database name, schema name, and object name, it's called as fully qualified name. Now see, now before that, let me show you one thing. Okay, now we are having state name like this. Now if I try to add a new column, it will be adding at the starting or middle or at the last. Tell me, anybody? Where will get added the new column? At which position? At the last position. See, at the last position. Okay, see, now what happened? It will be added at the last. Suppose like second time, can you exit the same statement? It will work?
It will not work.
Okay, see, it will says what saying? Column customer
Column already exists.
Already exists. Suppose like what happened? I want to add a one more column with the address one. Then what I should use? We should go for one more alter statement. Okay, see, now it will be added at the last. Okay, how to check? By using select statement. Select star from our table name. Okay, see, table name. Now suppose like client is, okay, now it's saying, okay, see, our table name is this, the table. Okay, now see, client is asking to remove this column. Then what happened again? We should go for alter table name. Now we should add a drop. Now we should go for drop column name. Okay, like this way. Got the point. Okay, so if you add a new column, go for add. If you drop it, it'll be dropping the things. Okay, Now what happened? Now see, it says does not exist. So this is the adding the purpose and say dropping the purpose. Now see, this is fine. Now client is asking, so we don't want this table anymore. Now see, we remove the column, but client is saying, I don't want this table anymore. Then what I should use? We should go for what concept? Table I don't want. Then we'll go for drop. Okay, see, drop is nothing but it is used to remove the database object from database. Syntax is drop table name. Okay, now so see what happens. So see, right now it is working fine. Now what happened? I am trying to drop table name. Now what happened? Tell me. So table be removed from the C. Now say table or view does not exist. So in the sense like what? So see, so first we should have one Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. Now what happened? Create one development database. So development schema, then go for table should be created with the help of DDL statement. Then with the help of, okay, see alter statement, try to add a new columns, okay, or change the data. We can go for, and we'll go for drop to remove the table from the database. Okay, see, first you should be comfortable with the UI. So create first a Snowflake account and we can able to get it done. Got the point? So create database account. Okay, so Snowflake account, create one. So see, create multiple database. Okay, see, one development database, test database. Now what happened? We try to navigate. See, I should navigate from here to here. Navigate. Okay, see, set worksheet contact. Okay, see, go for here, navigate the same thing. So go here, like navigate like this. Okay, should be comfortable with the UI. Now what happened? Try to create multiple databases, multiple schemas, and multiple tables, so that what you should be comfortable with the UI and you should be comfortable with the concepts also. Got the point? So 1 or 2 days like this, if you try to write, it will be simple only. Okay, not that much hard. Okay.